making some cigarettes. You see I've got the hopper full. Now there's a problem with these machines. I'll try and get into it. You'll see, I'll give something to point with it with. There's a little rubber tube right here which clamps the cigarette tube. After about 10,000 they wear out. This is a long piece I bought. You can get around it just by turning it and you'll get another few thousand out of it, but buy yourself some 3mm and by 5mm aquarium aerator tube. It's got to be 3x5, not 4x6. 4x6 doesn't work. And cut a length, like I've cut about 50mm. This has actually lasted a lot longer than the original. So as it wears out, what happens is it starts to tear the tube. So you just pull it off, snip a piece off and push it back on again, and away you go. Now, I've got my pointer. Now, I glued this piece of cardboard here. When we get around to it, when I fill some, you'll see what that's for. And I've also got underneath here an old 100 tube to catch it. There's a lot of tobacco lying around here because I haven't had a chance to clean it. That is a good mod, and I turn it this way because it makes it easier to load. I use these aluminium cigarette packets. They're good. They've got a little magnet here, and sometimes they come unstuck and you've got to glue them back on again. But this makes it a lot easier. This block, I've drilled it like 3/8 or 10mm holes. It holds it. When I've set this up on the tripod, you'll see how that works. I won't do 100. Be here for two. Right, here we go. This tobacco is a little bit long, so it might jam up a little bit. This is a trick. If they're damaged, just do this a few times nice and gently, and they'll go on. And you'll see why I got that bit of cardboard there. What it does is it catches them. Just stick that in there. Instead of it falling all the way down, you've got to pick it up. It just catches them. And that other little bin there, that oh geez, some of these are bent. I'll do a few and then that'll be the end of it. It's a great machine, I love it, but don't put fines in there. And the worst thing you can do is use commercial tailor-made cigarettes, the tobacco out of that. Don't ever use that. It's got a bonding agent in it. I've tried it and that destroyed my first machine in 5 minutes. Wasn't good. I had to bring that in from the United States. I'll stop this in a second, as you sort of get the idea. Now these, when I store these, this is why this is good. You can pick two up at a time and just chuck them in there. Keep it with the tobacco up and away you go. That's it. Well, I got it all built. It's strong, it's solid, it's good as gold, but geez, if I got to clean up in here, everything is just covered in crap. But I'm pleased with it. It's solid and it's strong. It's beautiful.